Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're frying up batches of crispy fries, chicken wings, or onion rings in a restaurant, food truck, or even at home, but hate dealing with unstable fries that tip over, hard to clean oil messes, or ones that don't fit your counter height, then get fired up because today we're looking at a fryer that's built for the job. It's the CROSSON electric deep fryer with height adjustable legs. This dual tank commercial beast holds up to 16 litres of oil total, heats with 3,600 watts for fast cooking, and has removable tanks for easy draining and cleaning. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description and trust me, if you need a reliable adjustable fryer that delivers pro results without the hassle, this is the one that'll make your kitchen sizzle. Let's dive in and see why it's a hot pick. First, the feature breakdown on the CROSSON electric deep fryer with height adjustable legs. This is a commercial grade dual tank fryer with two independent 6-litre tanks, each with its own 1,800 watt heating element, totaling 3,600 watts for quick heat up and recovery. It reaches up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit with adjustable thermostats for precise control. The tanks are removable stainless steel for simple oil changes and cleaning, and it comes with two solid fry baskets that hook on the edge to drain excess oil. The build is heavy-duty stainless steel throughout, rust-resistant and durable for daily use, with rounded edges for safety. The standout feature is the height adjustable legs. They extend from about 8 to 12 inches, so you can set it at the perfect working height on counters or tables to avoid back strain. Dimensions are around 22 inches wide, 17 deep, and adjustable high, weighing about 30 pounds for stability without being too heavy to move. Setup is easy. Assemble the legs, plug into a 120-volt outlet, fill with oil, preheat in 10 to 15 minutes, and fry away. Priced around $150, it includes the baskets and is ETL certified for safety, with overheat protection to prevent accidents. Versatility is huge. The dual tanks let you fry different foods at different temps simultaneously, like fish in one and fries in the other, without flavour mixing. It's great for high-volume cooking in small businesses or home parties, and the removable parts make maintenance a breeze. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are frying hot, fast heating and recovery for consistent temps and crispy results, easy cleanup with removable tanks and dishwasher-safe baskets, adjustable height for comfortable use in any setup, durable stainless construction that holds up to commercial demands, and independent controls for flexible cooking. Users love how it handles large batches without overheating, delivers restaurant-quality fries and wings, and the legs make it ergonomic, perfect for busy kitchens. On the con side, the tanks are 6 litres each, which might be small for very high-volume spots needing more capacity. It requires a dedicated circuit to avoid tripping breakers due to high power, no timers built in so you'll need to watch the clock, and a few note the baskets could be deeper for bigger items, though most say they're solid. Overall, pros dominate for moderate to high use. My recommendation? Absolutely pick up the CROSSON electric deep fryer with height adjustable legs if you fry often and the pros like quick heating, easy clean, and customizable height make sense for your space. It's ideal for home cooks, food trucks, or small restaurants wanting dependable performance without breaking the bank. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your kitchen fired up, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a frying friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.